Hey guys, it's Yemeni in here. Welcome back to another video of, guess what we're playing today? You can probably hear it. We are playing GTA 5. No, GTA 5. We are playing GTA 5. And today, we're going to blow up every single possible thing. Because, why not? Well, first, we got to go into it. We got to go in. We got to director mode. We're gonna do something awesome. Okay, we're in director mode this time. Yeah. And yeah, director mode is where you can turn on a whole bunch of cheats. Cause why wouldn't you want to turn on a whole bunch of cheats? Very energetic today. I'm very energetic today because I did a lot of stuff and I haven't made a video for y'all. Oh, and be sure to check out the two Slime Rancher videos that I uploaded. They might not be uploaded. I don't know. Just check. They should be. Yeah. So we're gonna set it like that. Cops disabled. Invincibility, yes. Super jump on. And yeah. And you can also like change how they look too. So like if you want to be Trevor, he'll look like this, but you can change him to be like this and stuff. I know the perfect thing for you today. The perfect thing. Come on. Come on. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah. Come on. Come on. Yeah. There we go. Today, Trevor, you're going to be a black man, okay? I'm not racist, I swear. Okay. I have ant bites everywhere on me. Because I just went outside and played for like 20 hours outside. Not actually 20 hours, I'm being sarcastic. Get your minds out of the gutter! And today, we're doing stuff that's gonna be amazing. Because why wouldn't you want to do stuff that's amazing? Okay, you see this, baby? This is a plane. I super jumped. If you're wondering why my guy is going to be jumping through the air this episode, it's because that's what super jump does. All you have to do is press X and it'll do that. Gotta back up in this plane. I know planes can't back up in real life. Can they? I don't know. So, yeah, we're going to go back. Keep going back. Keep going. Okay. Let's go forward now. Forward on to destiny. And you can even go first person. First person, look at that. Okay, but we are gonna go out here. Oh wait, and if you wanna know how to lift your landing gear, you gotta press the left stick down. Fly it through the air. Oh god, that was a close one. Okay. So we're gonna be landing. Today we're gonna do a kamikaze. Yes, I'm not a I'm not a terrorist, guys. That was my grandfather. I did not cause 9/11. I swear. Okay, look, I did. Okay, you can contact the FBI. I was not a terrorist. Da dum da dum da dum. Come on, get a car. Oh, get that one. Oh, we got something. Oh yeah, we got. Oh, gosh. Hey, look, we're on here. Wait, who did we get? Oh my god, we got this guy. Ow! You jerk. That's not fair. Okay, well, where'd the guy go? That's too bad. We don't care where you're like that. We just want to kill everybody. Oh, I'm drunk. Are you tired of explosions? No! Are you tired of those pesky explosions? Never. Do you like explosions? Yes. Are you sure? Sir, are you sure? Yes! Oh, I got him! Double kill. Oh, ah! She got hit by a truck, but she's dead now. Oh, yes, blow up everything. Oh, yes. Pull out the shotgun, pull out the shotgun, pull out the shotgun, shoot people in the face. Oh, yeah, yes. Oh, yes. 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 Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, no. Truck. Come here. Akapuya. Oh my gosh, look, they crashed. Oh, too bad for them. Oh. Yeah, you see all these explosions? It's like a Michael Bay movie. Everything. Ah! I don't know why I freaked out there. Ah! Truck. Kill of the truck ups, of the truck ups, oh, the truck ups. But Jack, we're all gonna die eventually. Oh, no, we're not. We're good. We're nice and good. This is how you record videos, people. If you ever wanted to kill multiple people, this is all you got to do. You just gotta blow up people, shoot them in. I saw a lady. She got hit. Oh my god, it's amazing. I do not kill women in real life. I'm a nice person. Oh! Whoop! Got him. He's dead. Hey, that kind of looks like Jacksepticeye. This is the Korean Jacksepticeye. 2017 Korean Jacksepticeye. What did you just say to me? Get out of here with your dumb truck. Think you're so high and mighty. You're not high and mighty anymore. Let's see. Is this Swedish Markiplier? No, it's Black Harambe. Cause who doesn't want a Black Harambe in their life? Well, other than that, let's get another vehicle and let's kill some more freaking people. We want death. We want death. We want death. Is that what y'all want? Tell me in the comments if you want death. Death and destruction to all. Kamehameha. How'd you survive a shotgun? Oh, ow, I got hit by a shotgun. Yeah, I got hit by a shotgun. I got hit by a motorbike. No, you're breaking it. No, you broke it. You jerks. You broke it. Yeah, you kept it. Okay, we're gonna get another one. It doesn't matter. When life gives you lemons, you turn them into lemon miniguns. Cause why not? Lemon launchers, lemon everything. You jerk! I will murder your family. Don't take the things that I say in this video 100% accurate. Cause it's not true.
Right.
Okay, we got missiles, we got all types of stuff. Kill the terrorist! Die, everybody! Explosion! I haven't shot one person! Crash him! Crash him! Crash it! Oh. Well, that was extremely boring! Hold on, let's get something else. That wasn't good enough. Y'all deserve better! You'll deserve better videos than this! Aye, Captain! You are moving my jets! That is illegal, I think. This is my favorite jet. You destroy this, I'll kill you, I think. That's how it works. Ah! naughty! This has no thingy things on it. Oh, let's crash into the blimp. Yeah.
Where you want it?
Put it on the table. Put it on the table. Let's crash into the blimp real quick. Why not? Yeah, let's just crash into the good old blimp. If I miss this, I am retarded. And I mean that. Oh, yeah. Hold on. I screamed so loud the controller fell over.
That's pretty bad.
Wow, that's life for you. It's right there. The blimps falling to a million pieces. I'm not dead, I'm fine. Taxi! 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 Oh, it would have been awesome if you would have stood. Ah, you jerk! That's my taxi! I'm sorry about your blimp. Ah, yeah, you can't get that fixed. Gotti! You're all dead. Well, yes, kill them. God! You shot the whole thing! You're supposed to shoot it! I'll blow up everything, of course! Because why wouldn't you want to blow up everything? Have you ever felt like you weren't being good enough and it wasn't complete? Your life isn't complete. Have you ever felt that way? Well, I have. And okay. Well, let's not get into some of that sort of business right there. Let's get crushed by a million. Bumblebee, Gotti. Meme 2017, great. Harambe wouldn't join. I can't even hear anything. Oh, there's a car right there. Oh my gosh, everything's blowing up. Why? What? It's explosions everywhere. It's explosions. Why? Everything's on fire. My guy keeps falling down to a million little bits. Okay, it despawned. That's a good thing. Yeah, let's take this helicopter over here. Goodbye. Why'd you get out? You do not get out of the helicopter unless I say get out of the helicopter. Oh, I'm not qualified. I'm sorry, guys. Up and around to Jackaboy Town. Yes, got it. Got him. Yeah, got him. I jump out. Where's your parachute? Trevor! Trevor! Hey, look, burger. Is that a burger on the yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see all you beautiful people in the next video. I'll do it. I'll do it. See all you beautiful people next video.